Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tivoli Goes Model Works. This is part 3 of the 156 scale military vehicle series, British 15 CWT CMP truck by Rubicon. So, bit delayed with the Spitfire and all. So. I haven't had time to get this videoed. So she's all done. I've weathered her. So we've applied a flory wash to her, which was the this one. Used some oils that I had left over from I'm trying to think which build it was. The Sherman build. So I added some oil stains to the fuel tanks, or petrol stains to the fuel tanks. And obviously I went round it with a pencil, with the colour pencil, so obviously to pick up some highlights. Yeah, so there she is. Overall, really pleased with the kit. My only gripe is they don't really have unit markings in the kit. But I like the way the speed it went together. And the way I painted it as well. So yeah, fun little kit. Oh, and also the lack of glazing. So yeah, obviously there's a few bits left because we've still got the figures to fit in it, because it's essentially a wargaming size. It's sort of like the oh Christ, I can't remember the wargaming size, but anyway, yeah. So that's this part of the build done. I'll now take her outside and put her on the spinny thing for you, and I'll see you in a bit. And here we have her on the spinny thing. Getting a bit dark, so apologies for that. But yeah, just so you can see her in the natural light. But the flory wash really did pick up all the details of the canvas cover on the cargo bay, and the little truck is spinning around. Let's rotate it up a bit. There we go. Yeah, so really picked out the details on it. Obviously you can see the grille, the front grille is beautifully picked out. So they really take these Rubicon model kits to really take a nice weathering. So I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Oh, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.